Hi, I just wanted to do this little tutorial to reinforce what we talked about today in our conference call. If you remember, we're in our hybrid course and we are in week 1 and we are creating modules. And as we move forward throughout this 5-week course, I'm going to show you how to create those modules in your sandboxes. So what we have here is the first page of week 1. We have the objectives and the weekly assignments. And then after the students have read the agenda, they click here, and then we have this format of a module, which in this case has 5 pages. On the student's view, they would go through on the table of contents and click each day, or up on the right hand side there's go to the next page. And so I'm going to show you how to create these modules and be thinking about the content that you will put on these pages within the module. So if we go into the sandbox, and Brigitte, I'm in your sandbox, I'm going to go ahead and go to lesson 2, and we can see here that we are at lesson 2, but we need to build a module. So if you go to build content, you can go down here and go to learning module. I'm going to do a test module, and you'll see this little gray notebook, which indicates that what you've started here is your first page of the module. Of course, on this page is where I put the introduction to the course. I try to put images in there just for the color and the contrast, and I put the objectives and everything that they're going to do. So the next step will be to build the pages within the module. And you do that by clicking on that module link, and then you can use these resources to build your pages within a module. We have an item, which is where you can name the item that you're going to put in here. This can be text, it can be video and text, it could be an image and text, it might be an introduction, it might be instruction to the student. We also have a file. If you were to click here, you're able to load a file from your computer, and when the students click on that in the module, that file will automatically appear. We have an image. Again, it's the same type of thing. You can put an image as a page or image as text, a video, or a web link. Now, each of these items, as we go throughout this course, I will be showing you how to use those to build the content. What I want you to do this week as you practice in your sandbox, just getting familiar with what it looks like and how to do that. And again, you just start from the very beginning. You go to the week and you can build content. For building a learning module, just click learning module, and it actually is going to group everything you do from here on out into that learning module. Remember, I told you today, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Use me as a resource, and I'm only a click away as far as the Hangout goes. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me. Have a great day.